It should be noted that the residences in this area are located within close proximity to one another and share 2 common walls. Here you will see deputies speaking with a family member outside of the complex who reported that the subject inside had been threatening them and was armed with a gun.
And he said he wants to kill you both?
Well, no, he said that we were trying to get the gun from him. And Dad's like, I love you. And he goes, I said, I'm going to call the police. He goes, you'll both be dead.
While deputies were meeting with a family member outside the residence, the subject was seen coming out onto the balcony holding a shotgun. The subject looked toward the direction of the responding deputies as they identified themselves and provided a command to the suspect to drop the shotgun. The suspect then proceeded to discharge the shotgun, and a deputy-involved shooting occurred.
Yep. Drop the shotgun, sheriff's office.
Drop it!
Was that him right there, maybe? Yeah, there he is. He's got a shotgun. Holy shit.
Drop the shotgun, sheriff's office.
Station 1.
Drop it!
Drop the shotgun, sheriff's
At that time, another family member was still inside the residence, and the deputies were unable to make contact, leaving them unaware of the individual's condition. After the deputies formulated and executed a tactical plan to approach and enter the residence, they attempted life-saving measures on the suspect. However, he was declared deceased at the scene by the Ventura County Fire Department personnel. The suspect has been identified as 23-year-old Dominic Saad from Thousand Oaks. The weapon used by Saad was a shotgun.